Hello, this is Rachna Sethi at TiCon 2015, and I'm here today with Madhukar Jetli, the advisor for the government of Uttar Pradesh in India. Mr. Jetli, can you tell me what do you see the value of TiCon?
You see, Silicon Valley has been a great destination since the last more than 2 decades for the rising entrepreneurs in the field of information technology to learn and to showcase what they have actually achieved in the past. And this time, TiCon 2015 has been a great opportunity on the first occasion in which the state government of Uttar Pradesh has actually reached out and participated as a main state to partner with the Silicon Valley TiCon and trying to showcase the state of Uttar Pradesh to the entrepreneurs, the rising entrepreneurs and already existing entrepreneurs to consider Uttar Pradesh as a destination for setting up their opportunities in UP.
And what sort of technology pieces are you offering in Uttar Pradesh today?
You see, UP is country's largest state in terms of population, in terms of geographical boundaries. So UP has a large market for every possible sector which actually is there on the spectrum. And information technology also is a very area where the state government of Uttar Pradesh is looking forward to attract the people from the Silicon Valley to consider UP as another destination and grow along with the state of UP into the economy of the state, and by offering certain advantages and actually attractive incentives to the entrepreneurs here in the Silicon Valley, from providing them prioritized land and giving them interest discounts in setting up shops, giving them 24 hours power supply, which is not available in any other part of this country. And there will be a direct MOU between the power corporation and the entrepreneur, so that the guarantee of getting power, uninterrupted power, is going to be available to all the people. And that is what the basic requirement of any entrepreneur is, to see that the shops of the information technology are set up in UP.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much for being with us today. Thanks.